Okay, welcome everyone. Today I got Chord Potion, and we're gonna do a little. Let's find out what the fuck it does. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag a copy of Chord Potion in, set the channel. Chord Potion basically is almost like, I would say, kind of like a Captain Chords, and maybe even on the same type of trying to be like the same thing. Now, I can do chords manually and put them in myself, or I can drag them from another place, maybe even from something that gives me chords, like Captain Chords. So let's grab a copy of Captain Chords. I'm going to drag it in. This way I don't have to do too much, and plus my keyboard's not hooked up. So there you go. Captain Chords takes longer, of course, to bring up, and because it's a big extensive program. And I think I'm just stick with the minor. So I'm gonna stick with that. I'm gonna press go. And the reason I'm going into Captain Chords is because they just give you chords progressions, which is kind of cool. So I'm just gonna grab any chord progression. I think I'll go with this looks busy. Okay, so I'm gonna take that. Do. So I'm gonna grab that, and for Chord Potion to work, you gotta grab it and you gotta put your chords onto your Chord Potion track. And so we won't need Captain Chords anymore. So now that that's done, I can pretty much get rid of Captain Chords, but I'm gonna leave it up for a bit. And also I'm going to set this out to 4 bars. Let's see, so we can see our bars. 64. Okay. So there we go. And so if you notice, all of a sudden you're like, oh man, it doesn't fucking work, blah blah blah. Don't fucking get all excited. What we get with Chord Potion, you have to press this little volume thing. So basically it has its own piano sound, and you'll be using that. And in fact, I know we set it to a straight chord, but it automatically comes up with this 4s beat, and the 4s beat sounds like this. Okay, that's what it just comes up with. What's cool about it is that you can set you can set different patterns for each section. So I'd say this is pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, pattern. It goes up to pattern 12, which is kind of cool. So you can grab your selections here, or you can grab your melody from here, which is kind of cool, or you grab your bass, your bass variations. It's gonna base it on the chords that are here. So you're talking about, what key is it? But the key is whatever I chose in the beginning. But it will not tell you any of that here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of their presets. So this preset is called Backbeats Chords 2, and I'm going to use that. And if you notice, now my melody is populated, my chord is populated, my bass is populated. Very cool. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay. So that's what it created. Cool thing is, okay, so it has speeds here, if you notice here. So that sounds crazy fast. I guess I can lower the tempo. I'm going to put it to 120, and let's see, maybe that'll help it. Somewhat. Okay. So what I'm going to do also is to lower the speed here, which is kind of cool. Oh, so right now we're at 1 times. 2 times means faster. So we definitely don't want to go up there. We're going to go to 0.05 because that'll make it slower. So let's take that, and I'll even make the bass line slower. But guess what? I'm going to leave the melody quick fast. So here we go. So let's see what we got now. Ah, yeah. Okay. All right. So that's cool. So the next thing I want to do is here's something cool too. So if I have this pattern, what it does, you can use this copy feature here, and it copies it, and then I go on to pattern 2, and guess what? I can paste it, the whole thing, right up there. You can see again, I got the bass, I got the chords, I got the top. But say I want to change something, to change it up, maybe I'll change up the melody. Maybe I'll. In fact, it has ARP settings here. Goddamn bitches is trying to call me. All right. So ARP's basic down. So I'm gonna go boom. So I'm gonna change that to ARPs. And so what are we gonna have? Let's see what we got. Oh, what? Oh, here we go. Let's start it off like that. Alright, here we go. Well, I mean, not that, but I'm just saying it does it. I'm probably not gonna, I probably wouldn't flip it like that. And it's, of course, when you drop it into your, the way you're gonna have it, or your sections, because what you're gonna do, you're not gonna use it from here, because this is on the chord potion is only a, you know, I'd say an idea machine basically. And so what you want to really do is you want to take these and put these like to different tracks, and you want to set them out, maybe piano over here, another one over there. But you can take this and drag this onto a different track, and I'm not going to do that right now, but that's how you would do it. And then you drag this onto maybe something else, you know, maybe another pattern, and that's how you would work with this device. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Questions, I guess forward them on.